I would say afternoon because I woke up really late today. So it's 12 o'clock right now and I woke up right now, which is bad. I thought I will take you guys along with me for like a day in my life. Let's just get on the video. So I'm in my kitchen right now. I really need coffee, even though it's noon, but I don't care. So let's make the coffee of my style. So my sister is with me and she's refusing to come.
I am looking so bad. I just got up, bro.
So basically I've been trying to make chai for my mom and my sister and it has got me to such a confused spot. I don't know for what reason. All I had to do was to add cinnamon and black pepper to it and I just got very confused. So I hope I didn't mess up. It looks pretty good. I'll show you. It's done.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
मेरे लिए तो प्लेट ही निकाला आपने।
अरे क्या है ये?
मैं डालूँ कोई रोटी नहीं खानी। So I just had my lunch and I'm just feeling very sleepy right now. Even though I woke up so late, right now I will just try and get up and then start with my course, which I'm doing currently. And along with that, I shall get up and then I have to go to the gym. Oh, I'm so lazy right now. Fine, let's get on it. I got done with my journaling and it's time to set the goals and actually to pertain on them. So right now I'm just gonna start with my course and today's aim is to complete like 4 modules. I was about to go to the gym and like I had plans that I'll go to the gym today, but my mom has a little bit of fever, so I'm just gonna see how she is right now, but I probably won't be going to the gym. Along with that, I had to complete one of my modules that I was doing. Like I just got a little distracted. I will complete that and see after that if I really can go to the gym. And yeah, so that's the plan right now.
I'll love you every day. Let's take a walk. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're
I don't know if you guys can really see me, but I'm just going to meet my friends right now, and I'm just in a hurry for some reason. Let go. I don't know if you guys can see me. I just came back home. Right now, I don't really know what am I going to do. Probably just have dinner and sleep. I literally, because my friends called me in such an urgency, so I was drinking my coffee and I just left it here. I never leave my coffee like that. Hello guys, so I am just sitting in front of my laptop and doing some work. It's around 1 o'clock right now and I should sleep right now. Just wanted to say that I'm about to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed a really chill day with me. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Let's take a